Phil Ring does everything.
Hey guys, Philip Ring, also known as Phil Does Hair and Phil Does Everything, here on social media. Today I've brought something special to share with you guys. It's a new mask by the company called Pure Cosmetics. So I've used some of their products before, but I'm not a makeup artist, I'm not an esthetician, I'm a hairdresser. And what I wanted to do was show you guys how this new product works the first time that I am using this. We can see how it works together. So let's get right into it. This is a crystal carbonated facial mask. It says it detoxifies skin and eliminates impurities with the Pure Cosmetics crystal carbonated facial mask. Once a week, apply the mask to face and let set for 10 minutes until texture becomes frothy. Massage with fingertips and rinse with warm water to reveal smooth, clear skin. Now, who doesn't want smooth, clear skin? I have normal skin. In fact, the less that I do to it, the better that it does. So, I'm pretty sensitive to things that are specifically for skin that's maybe dry or really oily. So I'll be able to give you guys a pretty good review on how it works and how it feels just by using it myself. All right, so opening up, you've got the plastic wrap, this nice box. I'm terrible with opening boxes, apparently. Okay, so inside, we've got a pretty basic container. It says Pure Cosmetics Crystal Carbonated Mask. Ooh, wee! Ooh! I didn't know that this was clear. Okay, since this one's gonna be mine, I'm only gonna use it on myself. I'm not gonna worry about double dipping. You can see this clear, gelatinous consistency. Woo-wee! Let's not do that. All right, so I'm just gonna take some of this and drop it on the floor. I'm not gonna really be able to use the spatula that well. Grab this mirror. All right. So I'm going to gently apply that all over my face, even in my beard, because there's skin underneath my beard too. Don't get too close to the eyes. Over the next 10 minutes, this is going to bubble up and get frothy. That's when you know you're going to take it off, and you're just going to take it off with warm water, and that's it. Alright, so it's tingling for sure. Up. Now I've got this warm wet washcloth. It's actually pretty hot. It's kind of steaming still. Make sure it's not too hot. Touch it to the back of your hand. Okay. So it might be a little too early to say, but my skin definitely looks very fresh and clean and definitely feels fresh. It looks very clean. I'm not sure which skin type this is for because it doesn't make my skin feel tight, but it also doesn't feel like much left behind on my skin. So I'm definitely willing to keep giving this a try. Apparently you're supposed to do this once a week, and yeah, we'll just keep seeing how it goes, and we'll see how my skin progresses, but it looks pretty good. Thanks for watching, guys, and tune in later for another Phil Does Hair, Phil Does Everything mashup, whether it's new products, new tools, some kind of technique, or possibly even some deep, dark science stuff.
I am a scientist! You're a scientist! Science! No!
Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and share if you like this video or maybe think somebody might benefit from this mask. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.